In this video, I'll guide you through how to add widgets on Webull desktop. Widgets are a fantastic way to personalize your trading workspace, giving you easy access to the tools and information you use most. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Webull for desktop and sign in to your account. Make sure your application is updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the newest features and widgets. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select or create a trading layout. You might choose options like paper trading or a custom layout that suits your style. If you're someone who prefers starting from scratch, a blank layout can offer a clean slate to work with. Now, once you have your layout ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Add Widgets. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a variety of widget categories to explore, ranging from quotes and stocks to market tools and general tools. Take your time browsing through these categories to find the tools that will best enhance your trading experience. After you've explored the options, it's time to choose the widget you want. Perhaps you're interested in something like order entry, positions, or maybe time and sales. Once you've decided, click on your chosen widget. You'll see it appear on your screen, ready to be configured to your liking. But we're not finished yet. The beauty of widgets is in their flexibility. You can drag them around, resize them, and reposition them anywhere within your layout. This ability allows you to create a workspace that's perfectly tailored to your trading style and preferences. Spend some time adjusting your widgets until everything feels just right. And there you have it. That's how to add widgets on Webull desktop. With your personalized layout, you're now better equipped to make informed trading decisions and stay on top of the market. Thanks for watching and happy trading.